Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Cari Salgado. If you are new here, please consider subscribing because in here you can enjoy from unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video I have very exciting unboxing. I have a small box right here and it's from HERMÈS. This is a very beautiful scarf that I saw online and I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to open this box with you. I haven't seen it in person at all. Based on my first unboxing with the scarf that I got that one at the store and I love that one. Yeah, go ahead and check it out. That unboxing is this video right here and you can enjoy that one. That one is beautiful. So you guys gonna love that one. I'm gonna start opening. So it's this one right here. I received it long ago but I didn't have a chance to unboxes online. It was out of stock and then came back, so they have it right now online just in case you're interested. Maybe you see able. Oh, let me. So let's start with this cutie. This is the last source. Sorcy de Baguettes TWILLY. I'm gonna leave you the name down below, so don't worry about it. This is the information right here, and this is one size. I love this one. It's so pretty, and the color are rose, blue, royal, and blanc. It's here, HERMÈS Paris. This one is a twilling silk, 100% silk, and this is the small iconic silk accessory and can be tied in endless ways to bring a chemical touch to your everyday look. This is very pretty and is measured 2 inches wide and 32 inches long. So yeah, it's pretty long, pretty cute, and like they say, you can put it in endless ways. So let me try with the I love this color. It looks so pretty. Okay. And now let's go to this beauty right here. This one is very exciting. So of course, you know guys, over here is the receipt, I think. Oh, let me see. The booklet in how to return your item. And over here is the receipt in the other side. This is cute, one label, your receipt. It say right here to receive, and over here how to return another process. And then it come in another. It's a beautiful detail here. Okay, you guys ready? Let's open this beauty. You right now, this silk feel different than this silk. This feel more soft, and this is a little bit more rough, but it feels soft too. Okay, I don't know what it is. Well, I do know what it is. I have a special attraction for anything that is like forest, colorful birds, animal, and all that, because I come from a tropical country, and this is like, I don't know, every time I see one of these make me so happy, and I think it's so beautiful. This is the equator wash scarf, and they usually roll out by hands. Okay, this color is the orange and bird blue. This is so beautiful. It feels so nice. And this scarf is in a silk twill with hand roll edge. You can see right here. This is made in France. And this is the sticker right here with the measurement and the name. And this is a 36 by 36. Okay, I'm gonna put it closer to you guys, so far away, so you guys can see the beauty of this beautiful. Okay, now the real beauty reveal in a whole full view, and is this right here. Look at the detail. It's just so pretty. It have like all the animals. Oh, it feels so beautiful. You can see, guys, how flawless it is. Look at this. I'm gonna bring it closer so you see all the details. This is what made me happy. My dad is a painter. He loved to paint birds like this. Since I was little in my country, he always paint birds, forests, animals, very colorful birds like this one, even with more colors, and that it just amazed me, and it's so pretty. I just love this, and I think I'm gonna have to buy a set of those scarf display at HERMÈS, because this is too beautiful to wear. I will love to wear, and I think I will in a few occasions, but this one, I just picture this on the wall as a painting, but it's just so beautiful, so beautiful. It has monkeys. Look at all these birds, look at all these animals right here. The detail is just amazing. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, let's see. Wow. I'm gonna show you guys a way. So one way I will use this, I just roll it right here. put it like this, then I think like this, especially for summer. Oh wow, this is so pretty, so pretty. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. It is so pretty. And then it can also be used. I'm gonna do it just on top of this. Actually, I roll it like that and can actually be used to in the side, like a little belt. Let me see you. I think it would be beautiful, beautiful. And the last, I'm just gonna do on top of this shirt because, you know, to just save time. But I have this necklace. This is beautiful. I got it for a long, long time and it had never tarnished or changed color or nothing. So I have this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the center one. I'm gonna put here, let me see, this end. I'm gonna put it through here. I think this is very nice because it's pretty big, and in that way I won't have to be gentle because you don't want it to damage the scarf. And we make a little tiny loop here. Make sure, you know, it's like so. Put in the bottom and then I tie it up. Then I put in here. It could also, I think over there is nice, but I probably will want for this to be up here, which I'm gonna fix it because I think I'm gonna grab this necklace just for my scarf. This is perfect for summer, especially it's very long, super long. So what I will do, I will just fold it like this. Oh wow. And then go in the back. Look at this. So this one I will like loose a little bit, so it's very loose and very frown. So it's very loose and very frownless. And here you have it, a nice summery, beautiful, luxury, silky shirt. And you also can use it with a nice jacket on the top, or jean jacket or sweatshirt, and it will make this just beautiful. Look at this. I just love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me in the comment down below what you think about this one. Remember to share, comment, remember to smile because you are beautiful. Thank you very much for tuning in once more. Have a wonderful day. Bye.